Hi mamas, I am Shen Halligan and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana. Today I have a cool new hack to show you. This is one that I came up with myself. I'm going to show you how to use your Mega Bloks table and a large flat surface like this. This is the lid of a large storage container, and this a hot glue gun to turn it into this. A fully functional table for your toddler. My daughter will use this to have her snacks at, as well as doing her own little activities such as colouring and playing with her little dollhouse. She loves sitting up here because she knows that it's just for her. And if you watch till the end of the video, I will show you another hack within this hack video on how you can get even more out of this table. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So starting off with no blocks on your table, you want to work out how high your table needs to be to suit your toddler. Because this is quite low, for me I want this to be about 6 blocks high. Now obviously for these double blocks I will count them as 2. So for here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 blocks high. So I will make 4 towers of 6 block highs. Right, and these will be the pillars of my table. You can start using the hot glue gun. So I will actually glue all these blocks, all these pillar blocks together using hot glue in between, so that when my toddler pulls it off, it's not just all going to come apart. And also it just makes the table much sturdier. So once you have all the 4 pillars glued together with the blocks, you can place them on the table. Right, I haven't glued these onto the actual table itself, that way it can still be used for Mega Block building. Okay, so I am going to place the lid on to make sure I'm happy with this placement. I have marked on my lid the halfway mark and the center mark with lines going across. That way I can have perfect placement of it being centered. So now I'm going to start applying glue onto the top of the blocks. Now, the tip is to have these glue dots pretty thick, so if you do it wrong, it will come off easily. If you have it quite thin, you will be picking the glue off for quite a while. So the thicker the glue blob is, the easier it is to pick off. For the top glue blob, I try to have this as neat as possible. Okay, then you just grab your lid and you place it on top, trying to center it as perfectly as you can. And then when you're happy with this, just press down and let the glue set. You don't want to press down too hard because you don't want the connecting glue area to get too thin either. So you want to put moderate pressure down. And you can place the tabletop anywhere that suits. I like to place mine out as far out to the edge as possible, so this is not perfectly centered as you can see, but this way there's a lip so that my daughter, when she sits in with her chair, she can tuck right in under it here. The great thing about this table is that you can make this as high as you want to to suit your toddler. So as your toddler grows, the table can grow with them. And also here, as you can see, there is room for a bit of storage underneath here. And I am going to show you another neat little hack right now. So building on the table hack, you can actually use the center as a storage space. So if you have enough blocks, you just complete a full wall between the pillars, and then in the center you can store whatever materials it is that you want. Now, personally, I wouldn't actually glue all these blocks together. I just think that it might be a bit much, unless if you're finished using this as a Mega Bloks table and you only want to use this as a child's table, then it will make sense to glue all the blocks together and then glue the blocks directly to the Mega Bloks table itself. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more hacks like this and for other organizational and home videos. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of my future videos. And thank you very much for stopping by. Until next time, goodbye.